Okay, I'm at Tractor Supply. My husband was wondering why I had to come here. Of course, I'm looking to see if the new Breyer horses are here. Because he's like, we got enough horse feed, we just picked them up. So I told him I wanted to go look at some gates for the horses, but walking around here, I don't see the new Breyer horses yet. So, alright. But here's some cool skeleton ducks. Alright, stay tuned for my next mission here to Tractor Supply. We'll be back in a couple days. So no Breyer horses yet, but we'll go walk through some of the horse equipment. We've got some horse stuff. It's always fun to look at horse stuff. Some cool lariats. Oh, here we go. I was looking for a bitless bridle. Oh, maybe that isn't a bitless bridle. Here's some neat halters. I'm over here. So yeah, nothing. All right, stay tuned. I'll do another video and we'll come back in a couple days.